Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through St. Elizabeth and we're going to be driving through the town of Lacovia now. So we're entering Lacovia and this is the area, well, St. Elizabeth is where you have the, what do you call it now, the Appleton Estate Rum Tour, which is a very popular tourist attraction. So one of the entrances to the tour is here. You turn right here, and there you can see the sign Appleton Estate and the arrow pointing there. So that you turn right here, and that will take you down to the Appleton Estate where you can do the tour. Okay, so this is the town of Lacovia. It's in St. Elizabeth, and it's a small town, very historic town though. Now this town was formed probably founded 300 years ago, and this town was actually founded by the Spanish when Spain occupied Jamaica. And the town was created because it's at the mouth of the Black River. So back then you built the towns right beside the rivers for obvious reasons. You needed water to survive. And that's kind of funny with what's going on in Jamaica today. The Water Commission is on strike and they have turned off the water in Jamaica, in most of the parishes. Turned it off because they went on strike, but that's for another video. Anyway, so Lacovia was formed back then. I don't think it was called Lacovia back then though, but the town was formed because it was at the mouth of the Black River. And the Black River is the widest river, either the widest or the longest river in Jamaica, but it's up there. I think it's the widest, or it could be the longest because St. Elizabeth is such a large parish. Okay, so when England invaded Jamaica and took it over, they actually set up Lacovia as the capital of St. Elizabeth, but that was probably like 300 years ago. And since then, Black River has become the capital, but Lacovia is still a very popular town. It's on the main road between Santa Cruz and Black River. On the left is the Lacovia Infant School, and there you have the St. Thomas Anglican Church. These are some historic, like the church is one of those historic buildings, but we now come into like the residential part where you have more homes. The part we went to first was more the commercial part. And Lacovia is also home to the Lacovia High School, which is one of the top schools in St. Elizabeth. Alright, so we're driving out of Lacovia now, and we're going to drive to what is known as Holland Bamboo. Now, it's one of the most scenic sites in Jamaica, and you're going to see why they call it Holland Bamboo in a few minutes. Let's just see you see how the people just stop in the road, literally stop in the road and chatting, and now they turn a 2-lane road into a 3-lane. Why some things only happen, well, I guess it happens everywhere, but I don't know, those things not supposed to happen on a main road though. Okay, so we're now entering Holland Bamboo, and as you can see, the bamboo has grown and literally forms like a roof or a ceiling covering the road. Very scenic. I think the only other place in Jamaica that has something like this is Fern Gully on the way to Ocho. So there you can see, and you have a lot of persons selling coconuts and things on the side, watermelon, although okay, that's still coconuts. St. Elizabeth is called the breadfruit. No, I'm not sure. Okay, so what happens is you have a lot of tours that will take tourists down here to take pictures, so that's why you have all those stalls set up there. And tourists that are driving towards Negril, which is a major tourist destination, they'll stop here and take pictures and have a coconut to drink, those kind of things. As you can see, it's a very nice site. And this is the main road, so if you're driving towards the western end of the island, this is the only route you can take. Or there is no highway that takes you from the highway stops in Manchester now. So there's no highway to take you all the way to, there's no highway to bypass this road basically. No, with Fern Gully, trucks are not allowed to drive through it. I don't think they have any such rule here. Well, no, they don't, because there is no real alternative to this road. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.